For now, only order has been pronounced in the open court, and the honorable judge has said that the bail application has been dismissed. Main contention of the applicant or the accused was that he has been granted bail in predicate offence, and that he has been in long incarceration. That's another ground which was taken. However, court has not found favors with him. Our case was that once the offence under section 3, punishable under section 4 of PMLA is registered, then the bail can be granted only under those section and section 4, considering the trappings and the triple test and twin conditions that has been laid under section 45 of the PMLA Act. After hearing both the parties, court has been pleased to dismiss his bail application. The detailed order will be uploaded, and only after that we will be able to tell exactly on which grounds it has been dismissed and what the court had to say.